In this video, we'll explore a curated list of flower seeds you can sow in these months to create a breathtaking garden. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or a beginner, this guide will help you make the most of the season. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. Let's start with zinnias, one of the easiest flowers to grow. These heat-tolerant beauties come in vibrant shades of white, yellow, red, orange, pink and purple and bloom all summer long. Sow the seeds directly into well-drained soil about a quarter-inch deep. Zinnias love full sun, so choose a sunny spot, keep the soil moist and they will sprout in no time. Next up is marigold, a staple in gardens. These vibrant flowers are not just beautiful but also great for keeping pests away. Plant the seed about a quarter-inch deep in loose soil. Water regularly and place them in sunny spot. They'll reward you with bright orange and yellow blooms in just a few weeks. Cosmos, with their delicate petals and graceful presence, are a delightful addition. They generally thrive in warm climates. Sow cosmos seeds in coming days for a dance of color that captures the spirit of spring. These delightful flowers are available in different colors like orange, yellow, pink and white. Sow the seeds about half an inch deep directly in garden beds. They thrive in full sun and even do well in poor soil. Expect a burst of colors in your garden soon. Lisianthus is known for its elegant, rose-like blooms that come in variety of colors. It is often called the poor man's rose that bring an elegant charm. Start the seed indoors in seed trays, placing them on soil surface. Keep them in bright, indirect light and transplant them once they are strong enough. Morning Glory is fast growing climber with stunning trumpet shaped flowers that brightens up any space. Sow Morning Glory seeds in coming month for a cascade of blooms that greet the day. These beautiful flowers are available in different colors like blue, purple, pink, red, white and yellow. Soak the seeds overnight to aid germination, then plant them about half an inch deep. Provide a structure from them to climb and they will greet you with blooms every morning. Portulaca, also known as moss rose, is a drought-tolerant flower perfect for sunny corners of your garden. Sow Portulaca seeds in coming months for their vibrant cup-shaped flowers that thrive in sunny spots. Sow the seeds on the surface of well-drained soil and press them lightly. These flowers require minimal care and bloom continuously, even in hot weather. Nasturtiums are versatile flowers with edible blooms, making them a delight for gardens and food lovers alike. Plant the seeds about half an inch deep into loose soil. They prefer full sun and need only minimal watering. Their vibrant blooms will add a pop of color to your garden. Gomphrena is a drought-tolerant flower with unique globe-shaped blooms that last for weeks. Sow Gomphrena seeds in days to come for their globe-shaped, long-lasting blooms in vibrant hues. Plant the seeds about a quarter inch deep in loose soil. They thrive in full sun and require minimal watering, making them a low-maintenance choice for your garden. Tithonia, also known as Mexican sunflower, is a striking addition to any garden, attracting bees and butterflies. Sow the seeds about half an inch deep in nutrient-rich soil. Tithonia thrives in full sun and grows tall, adding drama to your garden. Coxcomb with its velvety, crested blooms is another enchanting choice. Sow these seeds for a touch of whimsy and vibrant texture in your garden. Plant the seeds about a quarter inch deep in moist, well-drained soil. Place them in a sunny spot and they will reward you with dazzling blooms. Kochia, also known as burning bush, is a decorative plant with bushy foliage that turns red in autumn. Sow kochia seeds for a graceful and airy landscape. Sow the seeds directly on the soil surface and press lightly. This plant prefers full sun and adds unique texture to your garden. Now let's talk about celosia. Sow celosia seeds for their flame-like blooms, adding a unique and vibrant element to your prime garden. It offers various colors including red, orange and yellow. Plant the seeds about a quarter inch deep in moist, well-drained soil. Place them in a sunny spot and they will reward you with dazzling blooms. Balsam is a fast growing flower that loves warm weather and produces vibrant blooms. For adding a touch of elegance, saw balsam seed for their beautiful jewel toned blossoms that bring sophistication to your floral display. Available in different colors like pink, red, and white. Sow the seeds about half an inch deep in moist, rich soil. Keep them in partial shade and you'll enjoy colorful blooms in no time. Amaranthus tricolor, also known as Joseph's coat, is a stunning foliage plant with vibrant red, yellow, and green leaves. Native to tropical regions, this annual plant thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. Sow its seeds for their eye-catching leaves, which makes it a popular choice for adding a burst of colors to garden and landscape. Plant the seeds about a quarter inch deep in well-drained soil. Amaranthus love full sun and grows quickly, adding a splash of color to your garden. Gaillardia or blanket flower is a hardy, sun-loving plant with daisy-like blooms in warm hues. Sow Gaillardia seeds for a burst of warm, sun-like colors in your garden. Some popular varieties of Gaillardia are Gaillardia pulchela and Gaillardia aristata, which offer blooms in different colors. Sow the seeds on soil surface and press them lightly. With minimum care, Gaillardia will brighten up your garden for months. Vinca is a low maintenance plant that blooms continuously with minimum effort. Also known as periwinkle, is a charming and versatile flowering plant appreciated for its vibrant blossoms and glossy green foliage. Vinca thrives in various climates, making it a popular choice for gardens and landscape. The plant produces 5-petaled flower in shades of white, pink, purple or lavender, creating a carpet of colors. It is valued not only for its aesthetic appeal but also for its ability to withstand heat and drought, making it a resilient choice for hot climates. This low maintenance beauty adds a cheerful and enduring presence to summer garden. Sow Vinca seeds for their glossy, evergreen foliage and charming flowers. Sow the seeds about a quarter inch deep in loose soil. Vinca thrives in partial to full sun and is perfect for pots and borders. Cypress vine is a fast growing climber with delicate fern-like foliage and star-shaped flowers. Sow cypress vine seeds for their twinning vines and delicate star-shaped flowers, available in different colors like pink, white and red. Sow the seeds about half an inch deep near a support structure. With regular watering, this vine will quickly cover your garden space with charm. Coleus is prized for its stunning, colorful foliage that add depth and interest to any garden. Sow Coleus seeds for their stunning and varied leaf pattern. They are a perfect complement to your flowering garden. Sow the seeds on the surface of moist soil. Coleus thrive in partial shade and grows beautifully in containers and garden beds. Rudbeckia or black-eyed Susan is a cheerful flower that attracts pollinators to your garden. Sow Rudbeckia seeds for their golden yellow petals and contrasting dark centers. Sow the seeds about a quarter inch deep in rich soil. Place them in full sun and you'll have golden blooms that last all season. Moonflower is a stunning climber with large fragrant blooms that open at night. It is also known as night glory. Sow moonflower seeds for their large fragrant blossoms that open in the evening. Soak the seeds overnight, then sow them about half an inch deep. Provide support for the vines and enjoy their magical moonlight blooms. Next on our list, the sunflowers. Sunflowers are beautiful and vibrant addition to summer garden. You can sow sunflower seeds in coming months and watch your garden bask in the glory of these towering blooms, echoing the warmth of the sun. Here are some sunflower varieties that are generally well suited for blooming in summer, like sunflower Russian, sunflower red, sunflower autumn, sunflower sun gold, which is popularly known as teddy bear, and sunflower miniatures. Plant the seeds about an inch deep in nutrient-rich soil. Make sure they get plenty of sunlight. In no time you'll have the tall, golden blooms swaying in the breeze. Before planting, remember these essential tips. Use loose, well-drained soil enriched with compost. Follow the depth instructions on the seed packet. Keep the soil consistently moist. Choose sunny spots for most flowers. Protect young seedlings from pests and harsh sunlight. And there you have it, a complete list of flower seeds to sow in Feb and March. These flowers will fill your garden with vibrant colors and joy. Let us know in the comments which flower you will be planting this season. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Share this video to as many people as you can with. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.